I was actually hoping for, which it's funny that you said the mortgage market, because I just hate, like, when you're doing closings, and I have to help clients on closings all the time, title insurance. Why does that industry even exist? You know what I mean? It's like
it's never needed to innovate. And I don't want to pretend to be an expert on title insurance or on escrow.
I just see the blockchain as a solution to things like that. It's like, well, title insurance exists in case there's a problem with who owned it or owned it in the past. Well, something like blockchain, if they put it on the system, you see the single transaction happen. It was passed. Provenance is assured.
Immutability is a good thing.
Yeah, and it's not a percentage of the purchase price of the property. It's like whatever. But
it's a very interesting. I mean, escrow is another really interesting one to me in that you can talk to, an entry-level computer science student, and they could write essentially an escrow contract for a blockchain protocol, whether that's on the Bitcoin network, whether that's in Solidity for Ethereum, and you're done. That industry is over and done. It only is relevant because it's attached to your First Republics, it's attached to your Union Bank or your local community bank where they can provide that service. But it's a wildly expensive service for what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Smart contracts fix that.
Yeah.
It's a yes, no, if statement kind of a question. Mm-hmm. But that's where we are, and these things take time. You're not going to displace a massive industry of people overnight. I think when you look at escrow or title for some commercial properties, there's a little bit more hair, there's a little bit more nuance. But if you're talking about mortgages in a new housing development that was recently entitled, I have no idea what you're paying for at that point. If you bought the land, entitled the land, did all, went from blue top to your home, what's going on there, guys?